El macho gato. The leche whisperer. I am Puss in Boots.
It's amazing to bring Puss in Boots back to the big screen. It's just nothing but a joy.
There's a charisma that Antonio does perfectly.
Welcome to my fiesta. This will revolutionize trouble. Watch.
He's bigger than life in everything he does.
Hey, this is a party. Where's the music?
All of the thrill and all of the adventures. Oh my God, I absolutely loved it.
The legend will never die.
Puss in Boots is on the last of his 9 lives.
It's the first time that he knows that death is a possibility.
The wishing star could get me my lives back.
But every fairy tale character are after this wishing star too.
I mean, you can imagine who wins.
I just love the smell of fear.
Hello, Mrs.
We're looking for the legendary Puss in Boots. Have you perhaps seen him?
Goldie, is this him?
Who is this guy?
I'm Puss's best friend.
And you are Softpaws. Kitty Softpaws.
Oh, look at her. Am I doing it?
It is more beautiful than you can imagine. It is
Super fun.
What? What's funny?
It just makes you feel good when you look at life through a positive lens.
Adventurous, energetic, exciting, cute.
It was for me the most spectacular of all this time.
Hey, you want to see something cool? Good people, accept this golden gift from Puss in Boots. And all that glitters is gold. You're still here?